All right, so let's try to summarize what we've learned about the adapter pattern. Not a particularly difficult pattern. Implementing an adapter is rather easy because all you have to do is you have to determine the API that you have, the API that you are getting from somewhere, as well as the API that you need to provide to some other component, and then you create a component which actually aggregates. Typically it aggregates the adaptee, so you can have a reference to whatever's being adapted, or you can even instantiate it, and then of course you may end up having intermediate representations of state. So if your adaptee has to generate certain information for the adapted interface, for the interface that is actually required, then you would have to store additional data, and this means that you have to be careful about how long this data is stored for and where it is stored. So this is where you would use caching and other optimizations to make sure that as you adapt one interface to another, you're not spawning too much data, you're not taking up too much memory, and also you're cleaning up the memory when it's no longer required.